Hello everyone! If you love the look of lace but don't have the time or patience to painstakingly craft it by hand, I have a fast and incredibly easy solution for you that only requires a serger and some 12-weight thread. Serger lace is so simple to stitch to the raw edge of any fabric, making it easy for anyone to add that perfect finishing touch to any project. A lot of people don't know they can use their serger for this, so I want to show you how quick it is to make. Apart from your serger, the only thing you'll need is a 12-weight thread. However, this is the most important thing to consider. I'm choosing to use this 12-weight thread called Accent. It's 100% rayon and has a bright luster that looks amazing as lace, and is also really soft and flexible to touch. You'll want to use the heavier 12-weight thread because it will fill in the gaps better and look overall nicer than a thinner thread will. If you can't get Accent, you can also use a 12-weight cotton thread. These two cotton threads are called Spaghetti and Fruity. They have a low lint finish, and they won't add a lot of extra lint when running through your machine. To begin, set up your serger for a 3-thread wide overlock stitch and thread your serger. Every serger is different, so make sure you check your machine's instruction guide on how to thread it properly. We're going to use our left needle and both loopers. Make your cutting width as wide as it will go. Once you're ready to start serging, turn your hand wheel to form a few chains. Sew along the raw edge until you reach the end. Or if you're sewing around a circle, reach the beginning again. Keep in mind that if you're serging around a circle, we recommend you turn the fabric slowly so you don't miss stitching the fabric evenly. It will work best if you do it on circles at least 8 inches or larger, as a small circle will be more difficult for the serger. We also recommend that you stabilize your circle so the fabric doesn't stretch. When you're ready to begin your second row, locate the mark for your right needle position. We're going to use this mark as a guide to position the edge of the fabric. Stitch again down this entire edge following this mark until you complete your second row of serging. Depending on how large you want your lace to be, you can continue these steps a few more times, creating new rows of stitching over the previous. Go slowly and make sure you catch the previous row of stitching, otherwise you'll end up with holes in your lace. You can always raise the foot and reposition the fabric if you start falling out of place. This is how my lace looks after 4 rows of stitching. Now I'm going to shorten my stitch length from 3 to 2 and do 2 more rows of stitching. After that, I'm going to decrease again the stitch length from 2 to 1. And do a few more rows of stitching until the edge gets a nice rippled look. At this point, you can stop any time when you feel the look is what you want. That's actually all there is to it. It really is just that simple and easy. You can serge a lace edging onto any project you like, so get creative and let us know in the comments below what you made. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.